for CSC at YourPedia. So today we'll be doing a question asked in a HPCL interview. So the question is on topic operating system and semaphores. So it is asking that suppose we want to achieve synchronization of two processes by using two semaphores. The semaphores given are binary semaphores. So the values can be 0 or 1. So you have to place these semaphores with up and down operations on W, X, Y, Z, so that the output that you get after running these two concurrent programs is of type 0011 0011. So the first thing is it should start with 0. So this program should be initiated first, and after that this program can run. Q program can run. Now if there is no 0 in between here and there is no 1 in between here. So if you start this program and if you try to preempt it here, it should not allow Q program to run, because then it will affect our answer as the output can change. So this cannot be allowed. So if a program P runs, Q should run after P has completed its work, and after Q has completed its work, then P will be allowed to enter the section. So let's start this question. Let's say it's X, it's Y, and it's Z, and you have been given two semaphores. First of all, if you want to start any code, we usually use down operation, and the semaphore which will be having value 1 will be started, because down operation works is a successful down operation when you have the semaphore value as 1 and you change it to 0. It is a binary semaphore. So let's say that you put down operation PS here. Now if you put PS here, S should be equal to 1. Now when S is 1 and you run this statement, S will change to 0 and you can print this 0. Now let's say you preempt this. Now if you preempt this, if you use semaphore T here, now let's say that value of T was 1, and if you put P of T here, so when the down operation of T occurs, T will be changed to 0 and you can print 1, because it is a successful down operation. You will move further. So the output will be 0, 1, and then you can move further. But this output is not desired. It should be 0, 0, 1, 1. So let's try to make T as 0. If you take T as 0, now when PT, when the down operation is performed on T, then at that time, as the value of binary semaphore is 0, it will be an unsuccessful down operation. So our code will be stuck here in the self loop. It will not move further. It will be moved to the block list. Now if it is not able to move further, you cannot print 1 here. So one thing that we have successfully done here is, if you preempt 0, if you preempt P after the first 0, you will not be able to perform T. Now let's say, after that, let's say that preemption was unsuccessful. So naturally you will be moving to code P. Now at code P, next 0 will be printed. Now here you have to put the up operation. Now in up operation, let's say you put up of V. Let's say you put up of V here. Now when you put up of V here, S will be changed to 1 and it will be a successful up operation. Now when it is a successful up operation, you can run other things, but again now the value of S is 1 and the value of T is 0. And when you try to start Q, again it will be unsuccessful operation, because T is still 0, and if you try to run this, it will be able to run, because S has been changed to 1 by this up operation. So it will be successful down operation, and you can print 0 0 again. So what our desired output is 0 0 1 1. So after these two zeros, these two ones should come. After P, Q should be able to run. So this is not the correct option. So you cannot put VS here. So let's try to put T of S here. Sorry, V of T here. Now when you put V of T here, now you have printed two zeros. After completion of this line, T will be changed to 1. Now when T is changed to 1, and if you try to run P again, P of S, but the value of S is 0 because it was made 0 by this operation, and there is no up operation for S yet. So value of S will remain 0. So you cannot do 0 0 and then again do P code P after that. So you have to go here, and when you go here, value of T has been changed to 1 by the up operation. So when you perform down operation, this time T will be changed to 0. So when T is changed to 0, it will move out of this loop and it will print 1. Now let's say you want to preempt. Now if you want to preempt from this place, you need to start this P, but again S is 0 and there is a down operation here, and down operation or on binary semaphore, when the value of binary semaphore is 0, is an unsuccessful down operation. So it will not be able to move forward. So even if you preempt it here, it will not be able to move. So let's say the preemption has failed. After that, this one will be printed. Now at Z, what are the various functions you can put? V of S, V of T, P of T, and P of S. Let's see these functions one by one. Let's say you want to put P of S. If you put P of S here, S is 0 and down operation on S will suspend this Q. So it will not move forward from this part because it has been suspended, and this is already suspended because again P of S, it will again be suspended. So the output will be 0 0 comma 1 1, and the code will stop there because there is no up operation to change the value from 0 to 1. You need some up operations if some of the operations are in suspended list. So as there is no up operation, it will be a deadlock and it will stop after 0 0 1 1. So P of S is not a good choice. Let's try P of T. Now if you put P of T here, P of T. Now when you put P of T, S is still 0, T is still 0 made by this P. Now when you put P of T here, again Q will be suspended and S will remain suspended because S is 0, and if you put a down operation on S, it will again be suspended. So this will also be a failed. This will also fail, and still the output will remain as 0 0 1 1. Now let's try to put the up operation VT. Now if you put here up operation of VT, value of T will be changed from 0 to 1. Now if you try to run both of these codes, if you try to run P of S, S is 0, and when S is 0 it will be suspended, and if it is suspended it will not be able to move further, but T will be changed to 1, T has been changed to 1, and if T has been changed to 1, P of T will be successful. So you can run this code, so the output will be keep on like this. 0 0, first it will run, then after that it will 1 1 1 1 1, because only this will be able to run. But if you put V of S here, now the situation changes. Now P of T has made value of T as 0, P of T has made the value of T as 0, S is also 0, but what VS will do, it will change the value of S to 1. Now if you try to run both of these codes, you will see that P of S will be successful because S is 1, because if a binary semaphore value is 1 and you run a down operation, it will be a successful down operation. So this will be successful. Again it will be changed to 0. Now 0 0 will be printed. Let's say if after this 0 you want to preempt, and if you preempt, it will take P of T, and T has been changed to 0 by this P. It was chained to 0 by this PT in the previous segment. So PT again will be suspended and you will not be able to preempt. So if you have not been able to preempt, next 0 will be printed. When the second 0 is printed, again value of T will be changed to 1 by the V of T, the up operation. Now it will be changed to 1. Now when it's changed to 1, P of T will be a successful down operation. Then you can print 1 1 here. If you try to preempt here at this point, now the value of S was changed in the previous segment by this P of S. So value of S is 0, and if you try to put the down operation on S when the binary semaphore S value is 0, it will be unsuccessful. So you will not be able to preempt and run this. Again, preemption is failed. You will be forced to go further. Now you will print 1 here, and again S will be changed to 1, and it will go on like this 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. So the correct answer to our option is PT. The correct option is P of S, P of T. This will downgrade the semaphore, and this is already 0. So in order to run this, you have to first change its value from 0 to 1, and S has been changed to 0 by this, and in order to run this again, when this segment is completed, it will be changed to V of S. So the correct option will be PS, PT, VT and VS. So I hope you like this question. So keep watching for more interesting questions like this. Keep watching and keep preparing. Thank you.